In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live stream video on Wix. Whether you're looking to host a live webinar or broadcast an event, live streaming on your Wix website is a fantastic way to engage your audience in real time. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get your live stream up and running. Firstly, head over to your Wix dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to use your Wix credentials to access your website's backend. Once you're at the dashboard homepage, look towards the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Quick Actions button. This is your shortcut to access features and settings that you frequently need. Go ahead and click on Quick Actions. Afterwards, in the search bar that appears, type in Video Livestream. This will help you locate the functionality that Wix offers for hosting live videos directly on your site. As you type, Wix will automatically filter the options available to match your search criteria. Once you find Video Livestream in the results, select it. Now you should see an option for Video Livestream, and this is what you'll want to click. This will lead you to the page where you can find the app that facilitates live streaming on Wix. Once on the page, look for the Install App button and click on it. Installing this app integrates the live streaming capability into your Wix website, allowing you to interact with your audience through the live broadcasts. With the app now installed, you're ready to start live streaming on your site. You can go live on your website anytime from virtually anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. When you're ready to begin streaming, navigate to the relevant section on your Wix dashboard where you manage your live videos. Here you have the freedom to set up your live stream details, such as the title of your stream, the scheduled time, and any descriptions or tags that may be relevant to your audience. Remember, before going live, ensure that your internet connection is stable and your camera and microphone settings are working as expected. You want to deliver the best possible experience to your viewers after all. Also, consider conducting a test run beforehand to familiarize yourself with the process and troubleshoot any unexpected issues that might arise. That's essentially it, enabling you to engage with your audience through live interactions on Wix effortlessly. Following these steps ensures you're equipped to deliver captivating live streams and drive more engagement with your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to check out other Wix-related tutorials to enhance your site's capabilities.